Chairman, South Africa calls for the effective and immediate implementation of all settlement activities as demanded by the resolution by both sides through negotiations. That the opportunities for a two-state solution under international law, and that it is a major obstacle to the peace and security within internationally recognized borders. 1967 borders will be recognized, viable and united Palestine.
In the India CARICOM meeting, which was the third such meeting to be held, we announced an emergency aid of US $200,000 to countries which are affected by recent recent hurricanes in this region.
Madam Chairperson, Council for Foreign and Community Relations, Senator, Honorable Maxine McLean, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade of Bangladesh, in New York in September 2015. The Caribbean has a special place in India telecom bilateral relations. We have discussed a number of measures of $200,000 US to the worst affected countries. I am asking our mission to the United Nations.
In the meeting on Palestine, the NAM ministerial meeting on Palestine, we reiterated our commitment to the cause of Palestine and our solidarity with the Palestinian people.
Within the region. Could you confirm if